Hi everyone, so what you're about to see is probably the biggest woodworking collection in the world. Wait, how do I know it's the biggest woodworking collection in the world? Well, honestly I don't, but I'm pretty sure that if you look at this video you'll agree with me. The story was that my brother-in-law, which is a diplomat in China, he sent me a message, listen, you won't believe what I saw. And I said, what did you see? So he answered, I was in this most amazing woodworking collection and you never saw anything like that. So he sent me some pictures and he was right. I never saw anything like that. And my mind was blown. It was like really crazy. So then he told me, you know, if you want, I can easily arrange a visit for you in this exhibition. If you want to, I'm not sure why, but you just could. So I said, well, I'm coming to China then. So this collection is located at a city named Zhuhai, near the south border of China, not far away from Hong Kong. The collection is at the center of Zhuhai Agricultural Research Center. So try to imagine yourself as a hobbyist woodworker being so lucky to get invited to a private tour accompanied by a Chinese government representative in what appears to be the biggest, most expensive and most amazing woodworking collection in the whole world. How big? 20,000 square meters, which is about 200,000 square feet, equivalent to the size of a Walmart superstore. And to make it even more random, this collection is private and therefore closed to the public. We were the only visitors at this giant warehouse. Each exhibit that you see here is a wood carving wonder, handmade from one piece of a giant solid rare trunk of wood. So what is this place actually? It is a private collection owned by a Chinese billionaire that now lives in Australia. I was told that the owner comes from a carpenter's family and was a carpenter himself. Today this collection is a strong case to show wealth, richness, and the artistic taste of the proud owner. This picture is to give you an idea how big each sculpture is. You can Google for yourself and have a look to see that each sculpture here could easily get into Guinness World Records book as one of the biggest woodworking sculptures in the world. As far as I understand, this is one of the first rare times that this collection is shown to the public, and particularly to the Western eyes. The tour took about 4 hours in this wood maze, covering only the highlights of this collection. Surprisingly, there are no historical art pieces in this incredible collection. Truth is, all the items that assembled this rare exhibition were made in the past 20 years. Back in the 60s, a communist revolution happened. Historical relics and artifacts were destroyed, and that explains why you can't find any historical art pieces around this exhibition, only new ones.
Golden seal wood.
Wood.
Yeah.
So you can see
Shelf wood. Golden seal shelf wood.
this kind of wood.
Okay.
So normally this wood, in the old day, they only use in the palace, the empire.
Yeah.
Yeah. So like in their room and palace, they use this kind of wood. So for the normal people like us, we cannot use.
And so everything here, this is the most expensive piece?
Yeah, this kind of wood.
This
This
type.
kind.
Chinese artists have a lot of respect to the natural form of the wood. This is why you can find in many cases the natural stones that were embedded in the wood inside an art piece. They prefer to look at the natural wood and to imagine what sculpture or what theme would fit the most to this project. What interesting about this specific object is that I'm pretty sure that it's upside down. The stone comes from the area where the roots are growing, and if you turn it over, you can see the natural shape of the roots down below and going to the trunk up.
Really so many years, and then this was already became together, the rock. And
So it's
the,
natural. This is
yeah,
how they found.
natural.
Yeah. Okay.
So they're
Wow.
growing up together.
From our legend, and this man is like our ancestor. We Chinese believe that become the world first is the sky and the earth, mixed together.
Right.
But this man using axe and then become two parts.
Yeah.
And then we have the human history.
This is
Journey
one.
to the west is Sifin over somewhere like Kofim.
Ah, 8. One of how years ago, 50 years ago, 1,000 years ago, around
100 billion.
Yeah.
RMB.
More than. He has this idea regarding three countries, and then when he has this idea, and then he's traveling all over China or even more to find this big piece of wood to make it
To tell this story.
yeah, to tell the story.
Oh, a stone. Yeah.
把秦始皇放在，因为有些石头是打磨的的，它会留了一些原来的石头，就是说没有经过打磨的，这个完全是
You can see this stone; they're all coming. It's really
Woven
electro
basin.
shape,
Really?
so they're
Yes.
together. And like this one, maybe they clean a little bit for this stone, but for those ones,
This is
no.
very nice that he's working
Yeah,
on the stone.
totally. Yeah, totally electro. And this story is about the king Qin Shi Huang, the king of Qin. And see, he's the one. He's
The building, when they're building the Great Wall.
Oh, building of the Great Wall.
one of the famous empires.
This is the roots. Wow. Okay, this is upside down. No, I'm seriously.
Yes, yes.
This go like this. This is
Yes, yes.
the roots. The roots is like this. Wow. Just I'm only realizing. אתה מבין? זה הפוך. זה האבנים. זה כאילו וואו. כן. Because you see.
有些是根包石，有些是树包，还有一种呢，它在地上树根包石比较好，还比较容易见到，树包石比较难，这个是很久远才能形成这样子的，所以是两种包石。
Where is it? Where is it?
上河图，
The name is 青梨贝树 means the day Shaka is the time, so it symbolizes the most busy time during so the people they are all happy and really enjoy.
他说，当他在谈论之后，你会想到。
אין פה שום היסטוריה, שים לב, אין פה היסטוריה.
יש פה את ה...
לא, 20 שנה, מה זה 20 שנה?
他都是写最版的。有一些呢是
So this is Silk Road.
What is this? Oh, Silk Road. Yeah.
你看它这些很全，
From China all the way to Israel.
而且你看每一个骆驼还有人的神态形象都是不一样的，每一个都不一样，所以我觉得它不简单的就是能感受到不同的这状态啊。
他说这个丝绸之路。
看它这个绳子啊，全是手工啊，看着一点点削出来的地方。哇，handmade，全是手工的。你看这些东西，
So handmade.
非常
Yeah.
You can see the face of the
Yeah,
person
how
and
much? And you
the camel. They're all different.
I just
这已经看过。
See, it's really different.
what lots of stuff.
那我们这边的这个区域呢，就全部都是乌木的区域了，就摆放的都是这些各种各样的乌木。阴沉木也叫。
You see the quality is getting different.
而且
Yes,
风
it's
刷
come
的
from the water. So you can see the shape is because of the waters.
The wood.
Yeah.
Taste the wood.
喝酒也是中国的一种文化，你看这个米白呀。
So this was designed after the wood, so they didn't come with a plan. They actually did it as they go.
When they found this wood and then they're thinking about the
Yeah, that's true.
对，他喜欢喝酒。
So this
这个书里之中有些作品我们缅甸，
Wow.
Yeah, 看得出来上面全是东西。 它对珠海还是有一个
Yes.
They protect the space from fire or something. There you go.
עניין גם פה, זום.
56 kinds of
右手边的这个是巴花，巴
You
西
can
花
see the
的
pattern
但是
here.
呢，它
It's
跟
very
普通的巴西
special.
花里
Right,
面
right,
是
yeah.
It's from
对，它跟普通的巴西花里不一样，是它的
This is
纹路这种
华美
纹面纹。
华丽。
you can see this wood is really
yeah.
the pattern is very
Yes, straight. Straight.
the pattern is normal and that one is the best one. So you can see the difference.
put together because the designer because it's really fresh.
And all these writings.
Yeah, yeah. our
We shouldn't
You can
ask.
just one.
זה השפעה ש...
Oh.
静园春雪 We start
This is the first thing that I see with a modern motive.
Yeah,
This is the satellite.
Chinese dream, people's dream.
Wow.
They call President Hu.
Of European styles that is called Rococo. That's a decoration chair. מה זה? מה היא אמרה? אליו, תעשה ברית על כיסא כזה. But this is almost impossible to make. לא הבנת שאני עוד לא אוהב את זה?
贵的可能几百万块。像佛，他拿着元宝的其实有个很新奇。
Price for the real price of this kind of okay, 2 million really.
200多万这个。
Yeah. 2.2 million. For Chaoshan Shantou people, they will have something like this at home.
Really?
Yeah. But
Yeah.
maybe not that huge,
Pretty
but
small. Yeah,
smaller
smaller.
one.
Yeah.
But looks like this.
וואו, תראה. זה
Traditional Chinese traditional medicine. Yeah.
花旗参，
这个花旗参
不是这样，美国
No, no, no. It's the
美国花旗参。
我也不知道怎么。
比较可能会有一个整板，就是它的这个厚度和它的然后它的这个结构呢是用榫卯结构来做的，就是没有用。
אלי, סוכה. סוכה בשבילך. Joinery. זה תרומה, לא? By order of the owner, he asked for them to produce it.
בגלל הצבע של העץ.
כן. Right.
Also there.
אמר לך, זה קנה מידה אחר מכל דבר שלי. ויש מישהו יונק משם. מישהו יונק משם, אבל אלי... כן. Yes.
这个除了牙齿是人工雕刻之外，
כן, לא, זה הצחקת אותנו.
The whole shape is natural.
Yes,
Only
natural.
the teeth. They are just building the teeth.
Yes.
里面的
也是木的，对对对，只是
它只是
我们人工
雕刻
人工给它打磨雕刻了一下，就看起来。
哇
So they're all together.
整
They
个
just
都是
clean
这
it.
样。
这个很好玩。
然后是塑身部分来制作的，每个布料和工艺都比较普通一点的，就可能几十万的估计应该有，比如说花梨木雕的这种就是手工制作。
Very typical traditional characters. Yeah.
是一整块那
Yes.
个
Yeah, yeah. Just one of the woods.
Yes, I
and,
see. Yes.
The center of
Yeah.
the wood. Yeah.
Yeah.
Very original.
Sapwood, it's called.
Yeah.
Yes.
吉
Yes.
祥啊，
Yeah.
松鹤啊这些松鹤岩啊，松鹤岩岩都是非常落雪也是很有气势做的。
Is Liston.
Listen.
人就是篆字来的。
Because our country has a lot
Oh, people dream.
and that word means yeah.
She's in
Yeah, this,
Anasiya
this word
Nafafi.
Oh,
This
comes
one
from Sijin.
is just something that he said about the Valentine.
We were in Canary Street.
Oh.
זה על כל השטרות.
Love, 爱情 because of
Oh, love. Oh, love without end, endless love.
It means very
China.
Yeah.
We always have like turtle. This kind of animal is similar.
It's a mix of dragon and turtle.
Yeah, you see, this is the turtle conversion.
Mm-hmm. 是一个宝宝出生的一个场景。
כן, הוא מבסוט. באמת פה הוא מבסוט. תשמע, תינוק מבסוט, מה... 哇
握着这个石头。
וואו, וואו. Hands של היד, yeah, like this.
Change. Catch
Wow.
the change.
Yes.
because of the weather and stuff. So getting
工艺来说哈，这条链也是非常难做的啊，手工的。而它
It's part of
是
the
一块
wood.
木头雕
Yes.
出来，他应该看得懂，他明
so
白。
you can
这个是馆内链也是非常难做的啊。
symbolizing money.
What's it called?
白菜。
白菜。
Bye.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. And it reminds his work. I show. בסיום. כן. חוץ לבהיר יותר. חזק?
那这也是中国有名的发财，所以当那个
חזק?
所以当那个白菜。
This is the 白菜, the vegetable. You can see
Yes.
the Thai and symbolized for a witch.
Rich.
Like witch people, they always having these sculptures at home. Dragon, like the fish of
Yeah, like a
fish
scale.
scale,
Scales. Yes, scale. Wow. Beautiful.
Big bell.
רואים את החבלים, תסתכל עליהם. כן, שהרימו אותם, נראה לי, כן? כן, חיים.
we call Fo, and Fu is
就是哇哦，
这也就是我们最大的一组作品啊，全部都是乌木雕刻的五百人看。
you watch the Chinese movie, you will understand.
Wow. Ebony. Ebony.
course.
but they don't. They work on it on here.
The artists work
Yeah,
on it.
this is a connection. Also, the wood they are taking it from. They find
The
the
right
team
artists,
to
the team.
So they need to open the roof and to take it with a crane.
גם האוסף.
כן.
רואה את זה.
כן, כן, ברור. כמו בצבא. שאומרים לך, תתקדם. חמוצים זו. כאילו בא האומן, אומר, פה אני רוצה... אז מדהים שיש להם פה את העצים של ההבלה.
stable, so they don't need to put
Yes.
paint on it.
זה פיניש, yes. התחילו לעבוד ו... Yeah, I saw. הרב פרומן. לא? משהו כזה. קונסטרוקטיבית זה.